Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing Autosnipe AI with other trading bots out there. So by the end of this video, you will have a clear picture in mind which one is better and which one you should be trying. So for your convenience, I have created this table for you so that you could understand all the differences very clearly. So first of all, if we talk about the referral program, so in the Autosnipe AI, you will get 40% of the trading fee, and in return you can give your referrals 10% rebate on the trading fees, while on the other trading platforms you can only earn up to 30% commission, which is low in comparison to Autosnipe AI. Next point to consider is the minimum trade volume requirement. So with Autosnipe AI, you can start earning referral fees immediately without needing to meet minimum trading volumes. It is ideal for all users, including beginners. Whereas with the other trading boards, you usually requires $10,000 to $25,000 per month in trading volume to qualify for referral earnings, which is limiting accessibility. Third point is scan and rug detection. So in Autosnipe AI, you will get an integrated scam and rug detectors tool that can help you identify and avoid the risk investments, ensuring safer trading. Whereas in the other boards, you won't be able to find this type of feature or functionality yet. Next, if we talk about the fees and commissions, so in Autosnipe AI, you will get the AI optimized trading fees, which is one of the best features for Autosnipe AI. Whereas in the other trading boards, you can get higher static fees and there is lack of optimization. So in this point, Autosnipe AI stands out. If we talk about the user experience and interface, in Autosnipe AI, you will get a user-friendly dashboard that is suitable for the traders of all experienced levels to the beginners. It supports seamless navigation and easy tracking for the referrals. Whereas with other trading board, sometimes you might get the interface is very complex that impact the usability, especially for the beginners. In terms of the profit maximization tools, with Autosnipe AI, it offers pump fund and moonshot pairs for high potential investment, providing users with exclusive profit avenues. Whereas with other trading boards, you will get limited focus on unique investment opportunities, usually sticking to traditional lower risk trades. If we talk about the customer support, with Autosnipe AI, you will get 24/7 customer support, whereas with the other trading boards, you will get limited hours of availability. So these were some of the features that you need to consider before choosing any other trading board over Autosnipe AI. In case you want to check out Autosnipe AI, you can use the link that is given in the description, and then you can come to Autosnipe AI and you can create your account over here. You can go through the platform, you can look at their features that they have provided, and if you like the platform, you can keep on start using it. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.